Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Viewers, today I am going to make chicken tandoori, and for this I have taken one whole chicken and I am going to put some deep cuts into it so that our masala get fully penetrated into it. I will make some cuts into it like this, you can see. Like this. Now I have put the cuts and now the chicken is ready for the marination. For the marination I am taking fresh yogurt. You're going to put this, turmeric, red chili powder, garlic ginger paste and salt to taste. And we are going to marinate it. Marinate this masala, so this whole masala should go inside the cuts as well. Marinate in this way, like this. Masala should penetrate in this hole, and then you are going to keep this aside for about half an hour, 30 minutes. So see you after 30 minutes. Okay viewers, as you can see that the chicken is marinated and ready. So let's begin the frying process. For this I am taking a pan, and then I am going to add some oil, little bit oil, not more, much oil into it, and then I am going to add some salted butter into it. Open the flame to add some salted butter to it. Allow this to heat at medium flame. Now the oil is hot. Put the chicken pieces into it like this. One thing you have to make sure that you will not overcrowd your pan, otherwise this chicken will release its moisture and liquid, and you will not get the exact tandoori chicken. Allow this to heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Okay viewers, the chicken has been cooking for about 4 to 5 minutes. From the one side I am turning its position, turning its side. Now you can see that it's golden brown, and it is same like the chicken which is available in the market, which is called tandoori chicken. So we will cook the other side for about 4 to 5 minutes more. Okay viewers, now it's roughly around 10 to 15 minutes. The chicken is nicely cooked from both the sides, and I am going to put this in a deep bowl, and then I am going to share a tip with you, a magical tip with you for this tandoori chicken. Okay viewers, the chicken is ready right now and it is fully nicely cooked. Now I am taking a piece of aluminium foil and I may round it like this. Okay, then you are going to keep it here like this, and then I have heat this charcoal and I'm going to put this here, and top of it I'm going to add little oil like this and cover this lid, cover it with this lid, so this aroma will come and it will give us the same flavor of tandoori chicken as it is available in the market. Okay viewers, now it's time to serve the chicken, tandoori chicken which I had made. So I'm going to serve this. I have given the exact quantity of the ingredients in my description box, so you can go there and you can check it out. And don't forget to comment on my videos, and if you like my videos then give it a big thumbs up. Inshallah, see you in my next video. Allah Hafiz.